Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can screen record iPhone 16 Pro Max or iOS 18 above. So what you need to do is just swipe down from here, and then there's a positive button here. Because iPhone has built-in function of screen record, so you can select an option here at the control, and then there's a screen recording button. Just tap on it and it will show up here. Okay, so after doing so, what you need to do is just start clicking the screen record button, and timer will set up and it will start recording your screen. Okay, and how you can stop is just click on it above, and there's an option of stopping it, and it will save to your photos. Okay, just like that, just tap on it, and you can simply check it over the screen record that we did. Okay, so that's how you can do it in iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you have any other question, just let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much.